Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today I want to talk about how to determine if a set of points is a function. Okay, how to determine if the set of a points is a function. So let's take a look at one. Alright, so the key thing you want to remember here is that 2 of the same x's is not a function. 2 of the same x's is not a function. In this particular problem here, it says represent which set of ordered pairs represents a function. Which one is a function and which one is not. Okay, so let's take a look. So we're looking for x's that are the same. And remember, when we're talking about x's, talk about the first number is x and the second number is y. So we want to see where in that set of points where x's are the same. So if you look down through here on this first one, you see you got a -1 and another -1. Okay. If you look on the second one here, there's not 2 of the same. Now if you look at the third one, you got a -8 and a -8, and on the fourth one you got 2 -9s. See that? So with that being the way it is, that means this is a function. So that's the one you would select. So let's take a look at another example. Okay, so here we want to find a function again. So we're looking for two of the same x's is not a function. So we're going to eliminate the ones that have the same x. Okay, so like here, you got a 0 and a 0. That doesn't work. Here you got 2 5s. Alright, here on the third one, I don't see it. This is a 4 and a -4. On this last one, you got a -9 and a -9. So this one here is the one that is a function. Alright, so now you got to pay attention, because sometimes they ask you what's not excuse me, what's not a function. What's not a function. So you still want to keep the same thing. You want to look for the ones that has the x's, 2 x's. It's not a function. So we're looking for that. So here on this first one here, you got 7, -6, 8, -1. None of those are the same. 0, 3, -5, -9. None of those are the same. -5, 1, 2, and 3. None of those are the same. But on this last one, we got a -9 and a -9 for the x. And so that one's going to be, that's not a function. So that would be the answer here. Alright, let's take a look at another one. Okay, so this one's also not a function. Okay, so we're looking for anyone that has 2 of the same x's. So here you've got a -5 and a -5. -1, 1, 3, and 2, 3, -2, 9, and 7, 8, -3, -2, 9, and -2. So this one would be the one that's not a function. And that's it. That is how you determine if a set of points is a function or not. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.